rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
So jumping right into this video, guys, I'm just combing my hair up into a ponytail. And once everything is smooth, I'm just going to take my band and catch it all up in one. So before I take any product and put it in my hair, I'm just taking my sideburns out and combing out any hair that I'm going to be using for my baby hairs. And once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling gel. This is the clear gel, and I'm just spreading it throughout my hair. And once I spread it, I go in and I comb it. So once the gel is applied everywhere, I'm going to take out my ponytail and just redo it. So here I'm just taking up my wrap it up strip and I'm just going to lay it on my head while I do my ponytail and just tie a knot at the back. So here I'm showing you guys the braiding hair I'm using. This is the Braid Babe in 54 inches. And I am also using this curly hair. This was just a random curly hair I found at the store. But I'm showing you guys that I'm going to cut the weft off. And these curly pieces I'm going to use to add into the braid. So in this pack of braiding hair, there's 3 pieces that come in it. I'm going to be working with the first 2 pieces. So I'm going to take the elastic band that's holding it together off. So once I take both elastic bands off of the hair, I'm going to put them both together. So when I have both of them together, I'm going to be taking about 1/4 of it away. And I'm going to put it to the side for now because I will be using that to feed in my braid ponytail. So here I'm just showing you guys that I am putting the elastic band back onto the hair the way it actually came. And I'm going to be tying it onto my ponytail. Once my ponytail is secured, I am just going to take a small piece of the braiding hair and put it to the side. This is what I'll be using to wrap around my band at the end. So I'm going to go in with some Shine and Jam and just put it all over my hair. This is what's going to help blend your hair in better with the braiding hair and not have your hair sticking out. So I'm parting my hair in 3 and I'm going to part the braiding hair in 3. Once they are parted, I will go ahead and lay the 3 sections that belong together, if that makes sense. So my middle is going to go with the middle of the braiding hair. The sides of my hair is going with the sides of the braiding hair that I split in half. And then I am just going in and braiding my hair. hard to see what I'm doing at this angle, but I am literally just braiding my hair. I do have a more beginner friendly ponytail braid on my channel, so I will also put that in the description box below if you guys need additional help. So here I am just showing you guys that I am feeding in the braiding hair into my braid ponytail, and I will be continuously feeding in the braiding hair. All you will be doing is taking small pieces of the braiding hair and adding it into the braid, and you will continue adding until the braid is as long as you want it. I personally suggest you add braiding hair when it feels like the braid is getting smaller. I will continue adding a piece. Right here, as you can see, I added in a strand of the curly hair. So one end you're gonna put into the braid, the next end you're gonna try to hold. I put it in my mouth. I know it's not sanitary, but it held it for me. So yeah, I will continuously be adding in braiding hair, adding in the curly pieces until the braid is as long as I want it. once my braid is done, as you can see, I'm going to start playing around with the little curly pieces that I added in, just shifting them to the sides a bit. So now I am going to take the extra piece of hair that I left from the beginning, and this piece I'm going to use to wrap around my band so you cannot see it. I'm going to put some gel on it as well to help hold it. So now I'm going in with my ebon edge control, and I'm just putting it down on the baby hairs, the small hairs that I had out. And I'm just gonna swoop them. I'm gonna do about 3 swoops and comb it up into my ponytail. So this ponytail is basically done now. I'm just going in with some hot water and dipping my end. Make sure that you guys hold on to those curly pieces, that they don't go into the water. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are not already following me, make sure you guys are following my Instagram. That's nae.simone. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.